12 natural foods to help you gain focus and sharp. 1. Blueberries. It is rich in antioxidants and anthocyanins that boost brain function. 2. Avocados. It contains healthy monounsaturated fats that support brain health. 3. Nuts. It is high in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve cognitive function. 4. Dark chocolate. It contains caffeine and antioxidants that enhance focus and alertness. 5. Eggs. It provides essential nutrients such as choline, which are crucial for brain function. 6. Green tea. It contains caffeine and L-theanine, which can improve focus and alertness. 7. Salmon. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids that support brain health. 8. Whole grain. It provides energy-boosting carbohydrates that improve focus. 9. Beets. It contains nitrates that increase blood flow to the brain, boosting focus. 10. Turmeric. It has anti-inflammatory properties and is believed to enhance cognitive function. 11. Spinach. It contains vitamins and minerals that improve brain function. 12. Ginger. It has anti-inflammatory properties and is believed to enhance brain function.